Okay, so what's your price target?
Consumer sentiment.
What's your price target?
My price target's north of $400.
Did you know that Tesla just dropped a bombshell about Q4 earnings? Well, Elon Musk almost always says something controversial, but this time what he said was insane. And because of that, you're definitely not going to want to miss this one. As always, be sure to gently give this video a thumbs up, so let's get right into it. Now, according to Elon Musk, Tesla is expecting a record-breaking Q4. Now, this was actually said during the company's Q3 earnings call in October, and as gigafactories start to ramp up, Tesla could be setting up for a really good Q4. And this is going to make us, investors, very, very happy. You see, Giga Berlin just achieved another milestone of 2,000 cars made in a week, with very good quality, and Giga Berlin is also ramping rapidly. And Giga Texas, on the other hand, is expected to reach this milestone very soon. Not only that, but Tesla's production of the 4680 cells have tripled in Q3 compared to that previous quarter. And they also plan on incorporating the 4680 cells in cars and having it be a big part of the production in Texas in the coming months. We also have the second generation of manufacturing equipment for the 4680 cells in Texas, which continues to show great progress along with the original pilot line, and notably the Fremont factory reached record production in Q3 again. But now, even with all of that, many do not believe that Tesla will be able to beat expectations for their Q4 earnings. And that was mainly because after the market closed on October 19th, Tesla released its final results and confirmed that it had managed to meet expectations on earnings, but it was down on revenue. But one of the big takeaways from this call was Elon making a very big, bold prediction. Elon confirmed the potential path with Tesla being worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. And although Tesla continues to go up and down, the long-term trend has been extremely good. And in terms of growth, Tesla said they were extremely confident of a great Q4, and they were anticipating a continuing growth of the vehicle production and cell deliveries by an average of 50% a year. And this goal of 50% per year would put Tesla on track to meet Tesla's goal of 1.5 million cars for 2022. And in my opinion, despite of all the Twitter drama out there, Tesla will crush expectations once again. Because you see, internal plans reviewed by Reuters indicate that the production plans would see Tesla blow past projected growth in the global market for EVs by close to a factor of 10 in 2023. And with a production increase of over 50% for the year according to Reuters. And that being said, Tesla is expanding fast despite global economic concerns. And we already have signs that the consumer demand is cooling as inflation goes higher and interest rates climb. And Elon believes that although the Fed is raising interest rates more than they should, they'll eventually realize that and bring it back down again. Or else we will go through a massive deflationary period, and as I have been saying for the past month, the Federal Reserve will slow down interest rate hikes and eventually pivot on their policy. This needs to happen for us to prevent a deflationary cycle, or else 2023 could be very bad for the stock market and also cryptocurrency markets. But Elon has confirmed many times that despite of all this economic uncertainty, Tesla should continue growing customer vehicle deliveries at its current pace of 50% or more on average every year. And that's provided, of course, that they're able to deliver all these vehicles to their customers. You see, the reason why Q3 unit sales disappointed was that there was not enough transportation objects. In other words, Tesla got really big. But moreover, they are aiming to produce 50,000 units by 2024 in North America. They're going to be ramping up production of the Tesla Semi all throughout next year, and they're also going to enter the Cybertruck production early next year. And at this point, it seems that Tesla has done all the engineering for the Cybertruck and for the Tesla Semi. Now that the development work on the Semi and the Cybertruck is complete, attention is going to shift to a lower priced entry model that could also be used by the robotaxi network. Now, this car could potentially lack a steering wheel or pedals. The goal for Tesla in this new car is to make it a lot cheaper than the Model 3 and Model Y, and that production would exceed of all Tesla's other vehicles combined. Elon has also said that the public at large realizes that the world is moving forward to electric vehicles, and that it's foolish to actually buy a new gasoline car at this point, because the residual value of that gasoline car is going to be very low. Also, Tesla's plan was to run production at 20,500 vehicles a week for the remainder of the year, and they have successfully done that. Then that could only mean good news for Tesla, and this would also put the Q4 Tesla forecast target to produce almost 495,000 Model Ys and Model 3s. And let's not forget that those models account for 95% of Tesla's output. It can also be noted that Tesla's new gigafactories, both Berlin and Austin, are gigantic money furnaces right now. And earlier this year, Tesla revealed that it focused investments intensely on its gigafactories during the second quarter of 2022. So it is no secret that Musk envisions more gigafactories for Tesla. And in fact, at Tesla's annual stockholder meeting, Elon said he thought Tesla could eventually build as many as 10 to 12 gigafactories throughout the world. And in late August, Carl Spar said that by Christmas, Tesla's Berlin and Texas factories will be producing EVs for less than the cost to make a similar sized Toyota. And I would also not be surprised to see big jumps in output for Tesla from Austin and Berlin, since those plants have been running below capacity. You see, Berlin and Austin are coming into their own next year, and that's where a lot of this volume is going to come from. Tesla will also be moving to 3 shifts at Giga Berlin by the end of the year, so the expected gain would be from 51,000 vehicles produced next quarter to almost 90,000 vehicles produced in the quarter ending September 2023. And those are pretty good numbers for Tesla for the last quarter of 2022. And we also have a lot to look forward to in the next couple of months, as we have much anticipated products coming out. We have the Tesla Semi and the Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Semi, the fully electric semi-truck with active safety features, a massive range, and a spacious interior designed for maximum safety, has already been delivered to PepsiCo. And Elon was there to personally deliver the first semi-commercial truck. Apart from that, Tesla is aiming to manufacture 50,000 units by 2024 in North America, and they plan to ramp up production of the Tesla Semi, which is at max capacity right now. Also, let's not forget the Cybertruck, because Tesla head of engineering, Lars Moravi, said that they are in the final stages for the Cybertruck. Now recently, the Cybertruck has received 1.5 million pre-orders, and 1.5 million pre-orders is a lot. But just keep in mind that there is no sure way of knowing that that's actually a fact. And if you're saying to yourself, if there is no demand for the truck, well then you might need to double check what's actually happening. Because Tesla is not going to have a hard time trying to find buyers for the Cybertruck. Tesla's problem is going to be trying to scale the production of the truck. And for the first few years, they're not going to need that much demand, but as far as I know, the demand for the Cybertruck is very high right now. I mean, picture this. People are going to be staring at these trucks and wonder where they came from. People are going to be taking Instagram stories of this truck, Snapchat videos, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos. They're going to be doing all the advertisement for Tesla. So the first 6 months of the Cybertruck after it comes out are going to be insane. They're basically going to be advertisement machines on wheels. And we are already starting to see that happening. I mean, no one ever talks about the F-150 electric. No one is saying how good this truck looks. No one is saying that. But the Cybertruck is in a league of its own. The design is unique, the technology is unique, and the brand is unparalleled. And this is a truck that many people are going to want. In terms of the Tesla Semi, well, more and more people are gonna see that the Tesla Semi can pull up to 1,000 pounds at highway speeds for 500 miles. They will rethink their concerns and misconceptions about electric vehicles. In my opinion, apart from the Cybertruck and the Roadster, the Tesla Semi has been the most awaited vehicle up to date. And not only will it have a higher impact on emissions, but it will also impact the public perception on EVs. And up to now, many people still do not believe that an electric semi-truck can achieve the same or even better performance than a regular ICE semi-truck. So this, in my opinion, is going to be the main reason that people break their concerns about electric vehicles in general. And the Tesla Semi is going to revolutionize the semi-industry. All electric, more fuel efficient, safer, better performance and handling. It's also going to reduce maintenance costs, and smart truckers everywhere are going to line up to replace their diesel trucks. And this is also going to produce another flow of revenue for Tesla, so this is going to be a complete game changer. Tesla has also been faithfully working on the Tesla Robotaxi as well as the Tesla full self-driving, and if things go smoothly for Tesla from here on out, then we are gonna have a crazy and insane Q4 earnings. So I want you to let me know down in the comments below, do you think Tesla will beat earnings expectations again? I want to know what you think. Also, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more Tesla content. Until next time.